will go for vacuum and mop, turbo mode, and then high water level. Start.
Medium. Now we will go and set standard mode. And the most silent one is this one.
So, and now I will speak about two problems I had. The first one is map management. I thought it will have map management, but unfortunately it doesn't. So it can only download map, but you cannot put or use so-called IE walls to just manage your map as you would like to, like kitchen, living room and so on. So this model E10 does not have map management as maybe others models have. So, and the second thing is that I don't actually have a Wi-Fi, but I have like hotspot. I'm using the second mobile to give it internet connection. And if you had trouble with hotspot, then you should downrange your hotspot gigahertz possibilities. You should go from 5 gigahertz to 2.4 gigahertz, and then it will be allowed to use mobile hotspot. So yes, it doesn't have map management, and if you do not have Wi-Fi connection, you may use actually hotspot, but you should downrange its strength from 5 gigahertz to 2.4 gigahertz. On Android phones it goes with one opportunity. On iPhones it goes with other settings.